What's up, everybody? Elusive back again with another video. Right, guys, got a $50 session. I got my favorite tickets here. $20, $215 million cash explosion, and then it's ticket number. There you go, Uso and Miss Amanda's 23, and I got a $30 100x. It's still around. I still see it in the machine. So, and it's a ticket number 6, and these guys, they go forward. So this pack just started. All right, so let's start off with the $20 cash explosion. All right, so all we're doing here is just a matching number game. Find the money bags, $100 instantly, 20x, 20 times the prize, and overall it's only 3.09. All right. All right. Okay, let's go. Wait. All right. Okay, we're scratching with random red. Do channel coin. Double tap. No swig. Sorry about the swig. Okay, we're looking for 26, 37, 11, lucky 7, 6, 47, and a 45. All right. Okay, we're looking for 6, 7, 11, 26, 37, 45, and 47. All right, let's go. 36, one off. 46, now they're teasing me. We got Uncle Sammy up there. 45 and 47. No, 43. Go to 16. 42. 33, we need a 37. No zeros up there. 5, one off. 21, we need a 26. No Hawaii 5 at the top. Lucky 8, no. 13, we need a 11. 18. Sunset is 14. Come on, we got 7, 37, 47, and they give us a 17. Come on. 29. Fancy Nancy. No 8s up there. No deuce. That's 15. 31. 48, one off. 28. 24. Come on, last spot. 27. You gotta be kidding me. 7, 17, 27, 37, and 47. Man. All right, no win on that one. And got this $30 100x. I did books past couple of months ago, and we did pretty good. Just didn't find that big one yet. So, all right, it's a matching game, matching number game, and you find that stack of cash is an auto win. The multipliers is 2x, 5x, 10x, 50x, and that elusive 100x I still haven't found yet. All right, so in the bonus area here, we find any of this $50, $100, or $500 amount, we win the prize automatic, and overall odds running 2.49. Alright. Save the bonus for last. Alright, come on. Come on, red. Let's go, red. Alright, we're looking for 27, 17, 11, 46, number 3. Gigi's 44, 34, and 37. Alright, so 3, 11, 17, 27, 34, 37, 44, and 46. All right, let's go. Double deuces. 12, one off. That's 15, nope. 6, no. 35, we need a 34 and 37. 21, we need a 27. 9, fancy Nancy, number 9. 7. We got 17, 27, 37 at the top. 25. Lucky number 8. 28, one off. The 30, 30. No zeros. We got a single 3 at the top. 31. 41. 48. 42. 13. 47. 7, 17, 27, 37, and 47. Come on. All we need is a one match. Random reds 32. No zeros. 14. The 23. All right. See if we can catch anything in a bonus. Come on. Let's get one win. Grapes. And lemon. And an orange. Oh well. Yep. Ouch. Alright guys, so I don't know if I'm gonna chase. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys all on this video. Alright.